double crochet. That's 1. I'm making 4, 2, 3, 4. So I insert, I make a slip stitch. So this is how we are going to go till we get to the end of this round. So as you can see, we have got to the end of this round. So right now I'm going to make a slip stitch. So I'm going to turn it over, and you see. So right now I'm going to make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. So I proceed from here, double crochet, so I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Into that same loop. 1, 2. You're also making 4 right there. So as you can see, you discover that it's the same process all through. All you need to do is to repeat it till you get to the end. That's 4. Then I slip stitch. And you see. So this is how we are going to proceed till we get to the end of this round. So we proceed with double crochet. Okay. So we are making 4 right there. We have made 2. So this is the 3rd one in this loop. Then 4th, then we slip stitch. You see. So I will chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then I insert into that same loop. So I'm making 4 double crochet also in this loop. So you can see it's the same process like I said. So you just need to repeat it till you get to, so you finish what you want to crochet. 3, 4. So we slip stitch. Now you see, so like that till we complete everything. As you can see, we have completed this round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to insert another color. I'll be combining it with another color. So chain one, I'm going to chain three. That's one. I've already chained one, two, three. So I turn it, I yarn it over into that loop, double crochet, so 4 double crochets there. So right now I'm going to slip stitch. So I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm making another 4 double crochet in this loop. One, two, three, then 4. So I slip stitch. So I progress, or I proceed into this loop, 4 double crochet, that's 1, 2, 3, then 4. So this is how we shall be going till we get to the end of this round. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3 into that same loop, 4 double crochet, this is 2, 3, then 4. So I slip stitch, So this is how we are going to continue till we round it up. As you can see, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Like I said, it's something you can make yourself. All you need to do is to watch this tutorial to the end and practice it. Can you see so beautiful a pattern or a design? So nice. So we have come to the conclusion of this tutorial. Thanks for taking your time to watch this tutorial. And if you like this video, please click on the liking button. For those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and always put on your notification bell so that each time I release a new video, you can have access to it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.